In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Steam Guard mobile codes on PC. If you ever find yourself stuck at the login screen because your phone is across the room, or you just want a faster, cleaner way to sign in, this guide has you covered. We'll walk through the quickest option first, using a QR code with the Steam mobile app, and then I'll show you how to switch Steam Guard to email-based codes if that suits you better. To use the QR code method, start on your PC. Open the Steam client and, at the sign-in window, choose Sign In with QR code. That will display a square code on your monitor. Now grab your phone and open the official Steam mobile app. Tap the Steam Guard shield icon, then select Scan QR code. Point your phone's camera at the code on your PC screen. Hold steady for a moment and you'll see a confirmation on your phone. Approve it, and your PC session will be authorized almost instantly, no typing. No waiting. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth: make sure your phone's camera permission is enabled for the app. Turn your monitor brightness up if the code 1T scan and keep your phone connected to the internet. Only scan QR codes shown inside the Steam client to keep your account secure. If you prefer not to use your phone for codes, or you want a fallback option, you can have Steam send codes to your email whenever here is a new login. On your PC, go to the top left of the Steam client and open Steam, then Settings. Then Security. Click Manage Steam Guard and choose Get Steam Guard Codes by Email. From now on, when you sign in on a new device, or after clearing cookies, Steam will email a fresh code to your registered address. Check your inbox. Enter the code on the login screen, and you are in. Email codes are convenient if your phone isn't available. But remember, they rely on your email account being accessible and secure. Consider adding a strong password and two-factor protection to that email if you haven't already. And always watch for phishing. Only use codes that arrive from official Steam communications. That's it. Thanks for watching.